My name is Charter. I'm not a journalist or a photographer. I'm just a normal ornithologist. That's a person that researches birds. During the last few years, I've been documenting, okay, not professionally, an amazing project that I took part of and led parts of it. In this short video, you will hear there are good things in the Middle East. And other than my kids, barn owls are the best. Barn owls in pest control, cooperation, and education. From the GoPro camera of an ornithologist. Farming practices have changed over the last 100 years, from private small farms to intensified large ones. Now we grow more, and irrigation has made it possible to even grow crops in the desert. Crop yield is not the only thing that has increased, so has rodent numbers. To combat rodents, we use rodenticides, pesticides specially made to kill mammals. After a while, rodenticides become inefficient, but poison our water and kill the natural predators of rodents. There is an alternative. Barn owls can be used as biological pest control agents of rodents. Barn owls breed close to humans, use nest boxes, and yes, they love to eat rodents. So what do we need to do? First of all, the barn owls need our help. They need a place to breed. First step, get a bunch of helpers and build some barn owl nest boxes. Place the barn owl nest boxes in your fields. Ideally, you want to add the nest boxes in locations with the least amount of disturbance. Be patient, and before you know it, the barn owls will come and breed. In Israel, barn owls lay up to 13 eggs and can raise as many as 11 nestlings. During the 60 days the nestlings are in the nest box, the nestlings know how to do three things: eat, poop, and cry. The nestlings start flying at around 60 days of age, but they stay close to the nest for the next few months. From hatching to independence, the nestlings know how to do one thing best, that is to eat. A family of barn owls eats between 2,000 to 6,000 rodents a year. There are currently 3,000 nest boxes in Israel, and Israel holds the densest population of breeding barn owls in the world. So what do? First of all, we work directly with the farmers and advise them how to add the nest boxes. We monitor almost all the nest boxes and band and ring all the nestlings and adults. An important part of the project is scientific research. Study the ecology, evolution, movement, and behavior of the owls. We collect and analyze the owl pellets, the indigestible portions of prey that form into a tiny pellet that when open you can determine exactly what the owls eat. We help the farmers by building and fixing the already existing nest boxes. We even use old ammunition crates and fix them and turn them into nest boxes. Instead of using them for war, we use them for the barn owls. In addition to a cross-border project, we invest a lot of time in education within Israel. In Israel, we have Jews, Christian, Muslim Arabs, Druzi, Bedouin, Circassian. We are all Israeli, but we need to work together to understand each other better. Through environmental education, we bring the children of the different ethnic and religious backgrounds together. I may be biased, but there's nothing more fun than building a barn owl or a bird box. Owl pellets are one of the best ways to bring children closer to nature and study the skeletal system.
So good.
The children of all the backgrounds work together using real-life data. There's nothing like going to the field and working. Kids get to learn about each other's religion and culture. And after all, kids are kids. When you put them together, the one thing they know to do better than anything else is have fun. Doesn't matter what religion or culture they live in. So for me, the take-home message here of this video is there is hope for the Middle East. Not only for the people, but also for the planet.